Hello, my name is Mayuresh. I am here to share my incredible experience about the weight loss journey of 50 kg. I am really thankful first of all to all the Balcal team like Pradnya Padde, Nritika and Dipali. They have been guiding star for me on this journey all throughout. It was not possible for me to achieve this because without their support. Also the journey began when we were joined this Balcal team for weight loss. We got this reference like when we wanted to reduce our weight. So what we did, we googled best dietitian in Thane and we found out Balcal Nutrify. During the first consulting, we met Pradnya Padde. She was she is very cheerful and friendly person. So whenever we used to visit for first couple of diets, at that time it was she explained all the things perfectly, and which kept me aspired and motivated that I will have to continue this journey, have to achieve my target of more than 50 kg of weight loss. On around January 2024, I was almost like 3 digits. I was in 3 digits. I have reduced myself from 3 digits to 2 digits. Also I was wearing like XL 5XL to XL. So I think this is amazing weight loss journey that I have experienced. The diets that was given was very easily followable. The myth about the diet that people have to eat less or starve is not the case like that. I think we need to understand that diet is not just eating less, but it is all about having the healthy habits. This was outstanding for me because we had a lot of habits which were unhealthy, and this really helped us to help me to gain the weight loss of 50 kg. The diets were very easy to be prepared and also were easy to follow. This was really great. Apart from that, I would also like to mention one thing, that it's not only the diet, that we need to be also consistent in our exercise. So we were following this. I was following this exercise for almost 1.5 years without any breaks. So that is also key factor in reducing the weight loss. So it's not about just eating healthy, but it is all about being consistent throughout with our exercise as well. This was only possible because of the discipline that I had put in myself to ensure that I will be reducing myself over a period of time. The diets which were provided, that they did not had any supplements as such. All the diets were home cooked, homemade, which was really amazing. So no additional supplements were required for this. The diets were also very tasty. I had no problems in following that. Even I would also like to thank my wife Pradnya. She has been inspirational in terms of for having me achieve this target. Actually, I used to like vada pavs very much. Okay, previously I used to eat almost at least two vada pavs, but when I decided that I have to reduce my weight, I thought we have to sacrifice something, and that's why I thought I will only have vada pav only when I achieve my target. So now that I have almost reduced 50 kg, it's time for me to celebrate and have a vada pav party. My next target is I have to maintain this diet and discipline and work, exercise, whatever I have been following. So I will continue to do that for rest of my life, and this is a life experience. So this, I hope I will continue to have this going forward as well. Also I am interested, in case after few months maybe I can think about joining some marathon or something where I can be more active in terms of fitness, and I think I will continue to have this journey with Shashank as well. That will really keep me fit all throughout. When I continued this diet plus walk, I think I had reduced lot of weight, and the people around me were very much inspired with my journey. So even when I go for a walk every day, a few people always meet me and always asks me about what is the secret of this weight loss. So I only tell them that this is all because of diet and consistency in walk. Okay, so they have realized that they have been seeing me for days and months walking, and the target that I had achieved is great. Also, I would like to share one experience. Whether it's a rainy season or winter or summer, I never gave up my dedication towards the walk and exercise. Okay, that really helped me as well. So I would like to give one instance. When I go for a walk, there are few people who always meet me, and they are always asking about like how did you reduce this weight, can I do it? So I used to always let them know that yes, only the thing that you need to do is to achieve this by dedicated walk that you need to do. Okay, this is very important for us, and that's why like I want to share this experience, that when I go in family functions also nowadays, like people are very aspired, people are very shocked to see me. That's really great, and I feel very great about this thing. Special thanks to Nritika and Deepali as well. The consistent follow up on weekly basis and monthly basis has really helped me to continue to have this weight loss journey. This is very important, and thanks to both of them. They have been always approachable. They have been answering the queries promptly without any delays. That also really helped us to get the answers required on time. This kept me motivated that I should reduce myself with some target, and that's why like I was able to achieve this. I'm really thankful to all the Balcal team about this, and I would really like to recommend Balcal, if the people who are really aspiring to have a weight loss journey, they should really join this Balcal Nutrify. Thanks a lot everyone for again this valuable things that have been provided to me. So thanks a lot.